Hi guys, it's Quan and I'm back with another video today. It's just the TV in the background, but it's Modern Family. I'm not really watching it, but so the birds are sleeping. It's pretty late at night. It is, I don't know, probably 11, but yeah, it's really late at night. I got my birds. And the birds are sleeping. I'm ready to go to bed. I'm pretty tired. I just wanted to make a video, so yeah. But I hope you guys have an amazing day and have a good night's sleep and be kind and have a great day. Peace out.